In 2003, as China launched its first astronaut, young Liwei, into orbit aboard the Shenzhou 5 spacecraft, history was being made. But something strange and unsettling happened far above Earth. Alone in the vast silence of space, Yang was jolted by an eerie, rhythmic knocking sound, as if someone were outside the spacecraft, tapping insistently on the hull. He described it as like knocking an iron bucket with a wooden hammer, a noise that came without warning and couldn't be traced to any part of the ship. When he peered out into the black void, there was nothing, no movement, no impact, just the endless stillness of space. Despite his attempts to replicate the sound once back on Earth, the mystery remained. Oddly, other Chinese astronauts would later report hearing similar knocks on different missions. Engineers theorized it might be due to temperature changes causing parts of the ship to expand and contract, but no one has confirmed the source. In the cold vacuum, where sound shouldn't travel, the knock that came from nowhere remains one of space exploration's most haunting puzzles.